Are you struggling with blurry or low-quality videos in CapCut or Lightmotion? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact export settings and tricks to make your videos high quality every single time. First, import your video into CapCut or Lightmotion. Next, apply the sharpen effect. Finally, adjust the effect settings to find the exact numbers that best fit and enhance your video's quality. Let me show you how to export your video while maintaining the highest quality. Just follow these steps to adjust your settings like mine. By the way, you can do the same thing in CapCut too. If you don't see some of those options, it either means your storage is full or your device doesn't support high quality. If you do animation, make sure to flatten all your layers first, then add a sharpen effect. Sorry if I didn't explain this well before, but the sharpen effect is available in almost every editing app, even Ibis Paint. And it's not just sharpening that matters. To get the highest quality possible, you should also export your videos in 4K, provided your device supports it. That's it. I hope this is some helpful advice for you. Okay?